Good morning, friends. How are you? How's your studies going on? Today, we are going to learn Computer of Standard 4 from Viva Education. सबसे पहले मुझे ये बताओ, why do you think a computer is important in our lives? Anyone know? I will tell you. Because computer is very much accurate, fast and can accomplish many tasks easily. Otherwise, to complete those tasks manually, much more time is required. Computers can do very big calculation in just fraction of seconds. Moreover, computer can store huge amount of data in it. So, we are going to start lesson number 1, History of Computers. The computer that we use today is a product of a number of improvements that have occurred over a period of time. Let's learn about the history of computers from the beginning. Early calculating devices. Stones, sticks, fingers, pebbles, and cowries were used by early men to count. Even today, a child learns to calculate using his or her fingers. सही है कि नहीं? अभी आप स्टार्टिंग में कैसे सीखते थे काउंटिंग करना? यूजिंग फिंगर्स, क्योंकि वो इजीली कैलकुलेट हो जाता है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 प्लस 2 1 2 यानी टोटल 8. इस तरीके से काउंटिंग करते हो आप. सो उसमें लिमिटेशन क्या थी? हमारे पास 10 फिंगर्स एंड 10 टोज है. सही है ना? तो उसके लिमिटेशन को ओवरकम करने के लिए कौन से डिवाइस हमको इन्वेंट करने पड़े? मैकेनिकल. Mechanical counting devices were made after early counting devices. The limitation of the human body's 10 fingers and 10 toes apparently caused man to construct tools to help him with calculation. Abacus. Abacus was the first calculating device invented in 3000 BCE in China to count large numbers. It consisted of wooden frame holding several wooden metallic rods. A number was entered by changing the position of the beads with beads strung on them. Abacus was used to perform simple calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. It is still used by teachers to teach the concept of place, value and simple arithmetic operation. पता चला? ये है abacus. नेक्स्ट है नेपियर स्पून. In 1616, John Napier invented Napier's spoon. This calculating device is a set of rectangular rods marked with numbers. It was designed to perform simple calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. It was improved later to find the square root of numbers. पता चला? नेपियर स्पून इस तरह से काम करता था. नेक्स्ट है इलेक्ट्रोमैकेनिकल काउंटिंग डिवाइस. पास्कल लाइन was the first mechanical calculator invented in 1642 by Blaise Pascal. It was a box with 8 wheels, 8 movable wheels called dials. ये सब है ना, वो dials है. The numbers for calculation were entered with dials. It was used to add, subtract, divide and multiply numbers as big as thousands. तो मैकेनिकल डिवाइस से ज़्यादा एक्यूरेट हुआ इलेक्ट्रोमैकेनिकल काउंटिंग डिवाइस। फिर आगे कौन सा है उसमें, पास की लाइन ढूंढा, उसके बाद में नेक्स्ट आया लेबनीज कैलकुलेटर। जर्मन मैथमेटिशियन Gottfried Wilhelm von Leibniz built a calculator called Leibniz calculator in 1671. Apart from performing simple arithmetic operations, it could add, subtract and multiply and divide numbers. It could also find square roots. It consisted of staff drum called Leibniz wheel. यहाँ पे जो दिए है उसको बोलते हैं लेबनीज व्हील। आगे है जैक्वार्ड लॉ। जोसेफ मैरी जैक्वार्ड इन्वेंटेड अ पावर्ड लूम कॉल्ड जैक्वार्ड लूम इन 1801 यानी 1801 में। It used punch wooden cards to automatically view detailed patterns including pictures and text. This can be considered as first read-only memory device. ठीक है, जैक्वार्ड लूम is the first read-only memory device. नेक्स्ट है डिफरेंस इंजन। ये कौन है, चार्ल्स बेबेज है। Charles Babbage, a mathematician professor, designed an automatic calculating machine in 1822. He called it difference engine. It was used to perform complex mathematical operations. Charles Babbage ने इन्वेंट किया कौन सा डिवाइस, डिफरेंस इंजन। It was used to perform complex mathematical operations. Analytical engine. In 1823, Charles Babbage thought of mechanical construction which was known as mechanical digital computer. It could also prepare mathematical tables. Babbage called this analytical engine. This provided a base for development of modern computer. Charles Babbage is rightly called the father of computers. This analytical engine was invented by Charles Babbage. Next है Boolean logic. George Boole designed the Boolean logic, which became the fundamental principle for designing computer circuits. This was Boolean logic.